Yay, it's here. This is our 4-pack of Coco liners for hanging baskets, and I'm super excited to put one together. So come join me. So we're gonna open up the product, and here they are. Here, I'm gonna show you a closer peek. So here it is, and as you can see, it is made of cocoa plant, and it's liner. And what we're going to do is open it up, and we're gonna put it in warm water so it starts taking its shape. And then after a few minutes, we're gonna put it in the hanging basket and then add dirt and our flowers. Super excited. We're going to put it in the bowl of warm water. And we're gonna do it so it soaks it all up. And then it's going to not be in that harder shape. And once it gets more softened, we'll be able to put it in our hanging basket. See, as you can see, it's already starting to take shape. It's gonna look so pretty. I am super excited. And we have 3 more of these. And we have extra hanging baskets. Okay, it looks like it might be ready. So this is the 12-inch diameter size. There's also 10-inch and 12-inch, and I believe 14 too, but 12-inch I believe is the most popular. Okay, so we just now put it in our hanging basket. Looks pretty good. Okay, so right now I put dirt at the bottom of this, and we're going to separate some of these Ladeboria socialis pups off. Let me show you a close-up. You see how pretty? And they just start multiplying, and I just love these. Okay, there's one. Okay, that looks good. Let's add some more dirt. Love it. Looks like there might be another room for one more. Or 4. Okay, so now we are ready to add water. Now that we added water, let's go hang it up. Look how pretty it came out. Definitely recommend this product.